Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make North Indian style tomato kuruma curry.
This tomato curry gives best taste when served along with chapathi and rotti. It has a different taste compared to normal tomato curry. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 5 tablespoon coconut pieces, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon poppy seeds. Add a little water and grind it into a paste. Keep it for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 medium cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until onion turns light brown in color. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well and saute it for 1 minute. Now add 3 chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon salt, saute it until tomato becomes soft and mushy. Add 1 cup of water.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Mix it well. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes on low flame. Now add previously prepared ground paste into it. Also add half cup of water, half teaspoon garam masala powder, mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Our tasty tomato kuruma is ready. This delicious tomato curry can be served along with rotti, chapathi, naan and many more.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.